Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. If your Android camera has turned into a black screen and your camera is not working on your Android device, in today's video we are going to try out some fixes in order to solve it. The number one thing we can do is we can restart our phone. So long press on your power button for that and a menu appears. You can go ahead and tap on restart or reboot, and that should often resolve the temporary glitches, sometimes just by a simple restart. Another thing we can do is we can force stop the camera app. For that, go to settings, open it up. And once you go to settings, you may scroll through the given options and go to the app section and open it up. And once you find apps, you can go ahead and tap on camera option from here, tap on camera and open up camera. And once you are on the camera app info, you can find an option called force stop in the bottom right corner. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And then you can confirm that you would like to force stop, click on OK. Once it is done, you can open up the camera again to see if that works. Apart from that, you can clear the camera app cache and data. Go to settings for that, open it up. And from there, you may just scroll down and go to apps. And from apps, go ahead and find camera again. Once you find a camera, you need to go ahead and go to storage. Scroll down and find storage option and tap on it. From storage, just go ahead and tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. Clearing data will reset the camera app settings. And that's it. You can try a different camera application as well. You can go ahead and use Google Camera or any other camera and see if that works, because sometimes it may be a hardware issue as well. And that is it. You can try out this method for now and see if that fixes your issue. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.